Hi, I'm Mick Lay from Lay 2 Real Estate. Welcome to 23 Hayward Street in Bayswater, a 1940s built cottage on a magnificent 533 square metre block of land with views to the hills and probably about 100, maybe 200 metres to the Meltham Train Station. For details, go to lay2.com.au.
The days you've gotten me through. If only I could change, I wouldn't be this way. The lows, the highs, the way you glow, you change your mind.